Hi, this is Aaron here from Stats Lab. I'm a Microsoft certified professional. I specialize in Power BI and SQL Server and other Microsoft business intelligence tool. And today I'm going to talk about one of the DAX function called year to date. Sometimes you want to calculate some value, but you want to accumulate it throughout an entire year. For example, from January to February to March, you want a cumulative total instead of a individual sum for each of the months. See, this is the individual month, sum for each of the individual month, and in the bottom is a cumulative total of these months, right? So in Power BI, there's a DAX function called year to date. What's one of the time intelligence functions. So we'll cover that total year to date. That's the function name, and we'll learn how to create this function. Okay, let's start from scratch. First of all, you need a date table as well as a fact table where you have your transactions or the calculations that you want to run over. You want to sum or aggregate the value from the fact table. So let's find that sum. Sales amount, so let's remove that, start from scratch. Right, so we have the sales amount. Right. So we have the sales amounts, and now we want to create a year-to-date sales. Let's delete this one. This is the one that we have made, the measure that we have made. So let's delete this one. You can see the format for that. So we're going to create that. So let's take it one step at a time. So you right-click, new measure. Year-to-date sales equals I think it's called total year-to-date. Yep, year-to-date and you want to do a sum of the sales amount. The dates that you want to filter is from the date table. In this table, I have a full date alternate key, so I'm going to use that. And then, yep, and here we go. Now you have the value there, and you have your year-to-date sales. It's just that easy. One note that you have to consider is that you have to mark the date table as a date table, if that makes sense. So you have to go here, click on that, and go to model, and then mark as a date table. Yeah, make sure it's a date table. And then you set the column, the date table date, the column that you want to use. Otherwise, a year to date doesn't work properly. Now you can see January it's 857,690, and in the second month, it's in February it's 771,349. So this total is from January plus February, so you get 1.6 million is the total, right? And you can see we can visualize this in a graph. Yep, so you can see that now you have a cumulative total over the whole year from January to December. Thank you for watching, and I will talk in my next video. I'll talk about another timer intelligence function. Yeah, if you like the video, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. See ya.